Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 208 in the active specification. So this car features 15-inch alloy wheels, DAB digital radio, air conditioning, there's cruise control with speed limiter. The car also has great smartphone connectivity with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. So let's have a look around. We are happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, so that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.